Is your external component the Avfilter Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish FFmpeg links. While we explore the technical guide for Avfilter Library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Avfilter Library, the FFmpeg audio and video filtering library. It provides unmanaged routines for applying complex effects, scaling, and color space conversions to media bitstreams. It manages the orchestration of real-time visual filter manifests. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Because Avfilter Library DLL is a proprietary component linked to the FFmpeg system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Avfilter library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Installing an unverified version of Avfilter Library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on Avfilter Library. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Avfilter Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.